Hi, you are back in my kitchen and I'm Stephanie. Thank you everyone for joining me and thank you for coming and subscribing and all that wonderful stuff you guys keep doing. I really appreciate it and I'm going to try to give you the best content I can give you. So today I am doing a lemon buttermilk berry loaf cake. So we got all kinds of berries out here. It is the summer, and you can use any berry that you see, or you can use a frozen berry if you like, and you can make this loaf cake pretty quickly. You really don't need a mixer. So I'm going to show you how to do this real quick, and I'm going to get into what I am doing. In this bowl, I have flour, I have sugar, I have baking powder, and I have a little salt all in this bowl, and I'm going to just actually whisk it together very nicely so I can combine it, get it in here. I'm not doing a whole lot to this, just very simple. This is all-purpose flour. One day I'm going to try this with gluten-free all-purpose flour, and I'll let you guys know how that comes out. Probably do the same thing and let you guys see that one. But this one is all-purpose flour, and it's granulated sugar. Okay, I got that in. Now I have 3 eggs in this bowl. I have a cup of buttermilk. I have a stick of melted butter. I have some, I'm using some lemon peel that you can get in the store. I'm going to use this lemon peel. But you could have taken the lemon and you could have took the peel, grated off the peeling of the lemon, whatever, the zest, of the lemon, and put it in here too. But I'm going to use this because I like this stuff. It works well. I have some vanilla flavoring here, vanilla extract here. I have some vanilla bean paste, and I have a little lemon extract. And I have the juice of a lemon all in here. So it's very lemony, and I love it. And then we have some raspberries and blueberries here today. I made this before with strawberries and blueberries, and it was really good. So I'm going to use some raspberries this time. And here we go. Now I got the 3 eggs in, and I'm actually going to whisk them up with this fork real quick. That's how I do it. Bend the bowl over and whisk. And you got yourself some eggs. Got that in here. I'm going to put the milk in. Buttermilk. That's a cup of buttermilk. This is a stick of butter, melted. And I'm going to put in the vanilla. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of this vanilla, the liquid vanilla extract. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of this lemon extract. And I'm going to put in a teaspoon of the vanilla bean paste. Get it in here. Get a teaspoon out. Come on, going out. There we go. Very nice. Okay. And close these things up real quick. You know you want to close up this stuff before it spills. Make sure you get it all closed. Things fall in the kitchen. And I'm going to put a little of this lemon peel in my flour mixture. Put that in there. All the measurements will be at the bottom in the recipe. Just click on the recipe and you'll click on where I have the recipe, and you'll go straight to my recipe where you can see what's going on. Okay. Now, I'm going to get back to the flour mixture. Oops. Actually, I'm going to put in the lemon. There we go. That's the lemon juice. Okay. I'm going to mix that up. Let me mix it right now. Okay. So you really don't need a mixer actually with this. You can do it with your hand and it comes out well. It's like a one stop kind of cake kind of thing going on here. And if you want to make this, if you make it, you should probably put it in the refrigerator after it's done, because you know the berries are fresh and it's hot, and so you really need it in the refrigerator. It'll last a little bit longer. But truly, when you make this, you need to eat it. You need to have family over so it could go. Now I'm going to put in these berries into this into the flour mixture, because if you put the berries in the flour, they're going to get mixed up in the flour and it just holds better. So I want all the berries in the flour. Just get them all floured up so hopefully they'll hold a little better. They'll stay up nice. Here we go. Stick to it much better that way. All right. And now what you're just going to do is you're going to put in this mixture, this wet mixture, into the dry mixture. And what you're doing is mixing it all together nicely. That's what you want to do. Just get it incorporated. That's what we're doing right here. You're sort of folding it in because you don't want to bust up all the berries. So you kind of fold it in until it makes, until you don't see any more flour. Let's get it all in there. Okay, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Everything's all combined. I don't see any white. I don't see any flour left. It's all wonderful here. And now, you could actually take, I have a pan, I have a loaf pan here. And I like this loaf pan. I don't know where the heck I got the thing, but I'll find it and I'll put it on in my Amazon description down at the bottom. But this loaf pan, I mean, everything releases from this pan wonderfully, you know. So I haven't had a problem that I need to put the wax, the parchment paper on it and pull it out. I haven't had a problem like that with this pan. So I don't see the point. You just put it in there and it will release. I sprayed it with baking spray and it should be fine. Came out fine last time. Keeps coming out fine every time. So here we go. This thing sort of reminds me of a biscuit. It looks like a biscuit. But it's a cake. You know, it's put together like a biscuit though. And I'm going to put it in my pan right here. It goes in a 350-degree oven for, I see a little bit of white. Get that in there. Okay, I don't want no white. So it goes into a 350-degree oven for 50 minutes or longer. You have to check and make sure it comes out, the toothpick comes out clean. That's what you're trying to do. It's coming out. It came out good. Okay. There we go. It smells marvelous. It smells marvelous. Get that off of there. Scrape every bit off, as my mom would say. Get it all out. Get it all out the best you can. Don't leave none behind if you can. Okay, spread it out a little. That's what we're doing. Alrighty now. Hey everybody, I'm back to business. I am going to put this in the oven for 50 minutes. Echo! Excuse me, I call her Echo. Alexa, give me a 50-minute timer, please.
50 minutes, starting now.
Thank you. All right, me and Alexa are friends today. I'm going to put her in here. I'm going to put the loaf in the oven. And we'll be back in about we'll be back in about maybe an hour and a half after it comes out the oven, so it kind of cools. And I'll see you soon. See you later. Bye-bye. Hi everybody, you back in my kitchen, and this is my lemon buttermilk berry loaf, and it smells good, it looks good. As a matter of fact, it reminds me of some muffins, so it's good, but it's cooling off, and I want you guys to see what it looks like. It is cooling off, and I just want to show it to you as it's in the pan. You'll see other pictures of it if you go to my website. You'll see other pictures of this cake, but I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys try it, and I'm out. Have a good day. Bye-bye.